So today I am back with the question you all have been asking for, that how we can list our NFTs for free. So we all know the gas fees are increasing every day, and right now it is like around $100 to $300, and for a beginner who just want to explore the NFT platform, it feels like a hefty amount of investment even to start with. So today I am Ritaban Dey, the co-founder of Vivital Studio, and I am here with the solution of listing an NFT for free on the OpenSea platform. So stay tuned in the end of the video to know all of it. So getting started, all you need to do right now is grab your phone and download the MetaMask app in your phone. And after downloading it, you will have to set a password over there and also a secret recovery phase. Make sure you remember this password, write it down somewhere, or you just write the secret recovery phase somewhere, because if you forget these phases or the password, it will be almost impossible for you to log in to your wallet. Now, once you are done with this process, the second thing you have to do right now is go to your desktop or your laptop and download the Chrome extension of the same MetaMask wallet over there. And once you attach the Chrome extension to your Chrome browser, we are good to go, and I will show you right now what you need to do next after this and how you can list it for free right now. I am on my desktop. You can see I have the MetaMask extension over there, but even if I click it, it won't open up because the screen recorder, it is a highly protected app, so it won't let it record. But right now what we can do is we can just search for OpenSea over here. And as we just open the OpenSea platform, what we need to do, we need to log in. For logging in, what we have to do, we need to just click over here, okay, and you will see there will be my wallet kind of an option, and over here there will be MetaMask. So if you have installed the MetaMask extension and also the MetaMask wallet in your phone, you have to click on this MetaMask and it will ask for an authentication over here. Since I am recording the screen over here, it is asking for the password, so I'll just quickly enter the password over here. So you can log in even with the secret recovery phase as well, anything you wish for. So I'm trying to log into my OpenSea account. If you don't have an account, it's the exact same process. So you can see my wallet has no money in it. It's 0.00 USD. So you can be double sure that it is absolutely for free, because I haven't recharged my wallet. It is absolutely at zero right now. So right now we will open up the OpenSea platform. So right now you can see I'm on this create option over here. You can see we have a create option over here. So after going on the create option, we can list our NFT. So over here you have to upload the picture of your NFT. You can see the supported file types, the JPEG, PNG, GIF, and there's a lot of file types, and you can maximum upload a file size of 100 MB. So for today I'm going to upload one of my handmade artwork which I scanned, and I'm going to upload it. So I uploaded this painting of mine. You can name your painting according to your use. So you can just name it like the cityscape. All right. External link, you can post the link to your website, you can post the link to your Twitter, you can just post the link of your YouTube channel, anything you feel like. And description, you can see I will write a handmade artwork with watercolors. So I've written a brief description. A handmade artwork with watercolors turned into a digital form, but you can write anything according to your wish, whatever you feel like. No restrictions regarding that. There's a collection option over here, so you can click over here. You can make a collection. If you don't have a collection, it will come up like this, untitled collection. So I'll just click over here. There are lots of other options as well. Like you can see there are properties, levels, stats, and all of this. Unlockable content. Unlockable content is something that if someone purchases those NFT, if you want to offer them something extra over there, maybe few process of making this NFT or few other cityscapes as well, or anything else, whatever you feel like, you can do that. And over here, if you know it is a sensitive content or something like that, you can just turn on this one. So it is not something like that. So over here, coming to the main portion of how we can list it for free, you will see over here you will get an option of blockchain. So whenever you are over here in the option of blockchain, make sure don't click on the Ethereum one. Click over here, select the Polygon one. You can see it's written over here, a fast gas-free blockchain experience that works with Ethereum. So this is the option we have to click, and then we can just create our NFT, and our NFT will be almost done. I'm not a robot. So right now you can see you created the cityscape. It has been here, over here the NFT has been minted for free. Now the next thing you have to do, after it has been minted, you have to sell it. It has been minted right now, it hasn't been listed for sale. After this you have to sell it. I'll go to the sale option. Here you have to set a price. Okay, so you have to set a price in Ethereum. So let's say I'm just setting a price of maybe 0.1 Ethereum, so that will be like $341, or you can set up a lower price as well, $0.01, it is like $34. So I just recommend you to set the price a bit lower if you are using the Polygon blockchain. High prices NFT are not usually sold on a Polygon blockchain, so usually keep it around this kind of a value or something like that, or whatever you feel like. Then you have to set up a duration. You can keep whatever duration you feel like. I'm keeping it 7 days. OpenSea will be taking 2.5% charges if your NFT gets sold. Now I'll just click on the complete listing option, and your NFT would be listed for sale. You have to sign the message over here on your MetaMask wallet in order to confirm that you want to sell it. So I'll just sign over here. I'll just click on the sign option. So the sign message is coming, and you have listed, the cityscape option is created, and your NFT is listed. So I have already listed my NFT. So right now if you want to see your NFT, so over here it is listed, and I'll just go back. It is, see, it's 0.01. You cannot buy it because you are already the owner. So you can share this link up here to anybody who wants to buy it, and it is already listed, but you cannot bid over here. No one can bid. There are more of the collection. I was just trying out few NFTs previously on this account, so here are those as well. So that's it. I hope you all understand the process. It is pretty easy. So this was the entire process of listing an NFT for free. Now if you don't have an idea of what things or what objects can you list on an NFT market, make sure you watch my video of what items can we list as an NFT. I'll put a link in the video description and also somewhere over here, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more such exciting content, and comment down below if you want to learn something more, and I'll make a video on that as well. So everyone, bye for today. I'll see you in the next video.